back, everyone. This is Glamour Has No Age. Welcome back to everyone who comes every time to watch my video. I appreciate you. And for new people as well, thank you. If you've not subscribed, consider sticking around. I know my upload schedule has been a little bit erratic. I'm supposed to post at 9, but this video is just being recorded 3 o'clock today. And depending on the upload schedule for YouTube, sometimes I get caught in all that traffic that goes on with everyone uploading. So I tend to be 10 or 11 p.m. But you can watch it next day if you're going to bed. Alright, so today is a full face of nothing new. I'm going to start seeing more of this type of video because I have a lot of makeup. I want to use it. I need to figure out what I need to keep and what I need to get rid of. We'll do our eyes first. I have the MAC Connecting Color palette. I have a review on that. I'll put that down below. I like it. I like the palette. It's a good palette. It's just a basic everyday MAC palette that has more pigment. I'm going to put on my eye base, which is from Beauty Bay. That's something that's constant in my life. And I always use the Sigma Precision Round Brush. I think it's the P82. I like it for Charlotte Tilbury cream shadows because it's densely packed and it picks up and distributes the whipped cream really good. Beauty Bay products are pretty inexpensive. They do ship from the UK though. Return policy that I have not read. So read their return policy because I don't think you can return everything on Beauty Bay. Because it's in Europe, it has strict guidelines it has to follow. So they don't accept return makeup. There are exceptions. Just read their policy. I'm going to take the Singe Beauty E03. I'm going to go into Uninterrupted, which is this cream shadow right here, and tap off and put that all over. What I have to say about this palette, you might not like it. If you're using Natasha Denona, Pat McGrath, and all the high-end palettes, those are superior quality to MAC. This is just your basic everyday palette from someone who doesn't use those brands. It is a little dusty. Go into Wedge, which is this color right here. We're just doing a basic on. I do like Singe Beauty brushes. I'm going to take the Singe Beauty E01 and what's this color? Give me Cyberspace, I think. This brown color right here. I'm not looking for anything too dramatic. I'm just looking for washes of color. The shadows blend out fine. But I'm making a mess of it. So on my channel, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get use out of my older makeup. I don't want to be classed as a review channel anymore. I can't afford it. And even if I get 1,000 subscribers, I still can't afford it. I'm up in age now. I have to start thinking about retirement, things like that. I have way too much makeup to do panning. Maybe I'll do that later on as I declutter and do things like that. However, at this point, that's a no. So I can do looks with my makeup. I have new makeup, just so that you know that I have a box full of it. So it's not like I'm giving up on new makeup. I just really need to slow down. Just a basic brown eyeshadow look to go food shopping in. I am going to take this and try to soften it up a little bit more to blend it out. Not bad. I'm going to put that away. And I have my Laura Mercier moisturizer, tinted moisturizer foundation. I'm going to use the BK Beauty, what is this, 101. that is done, then I'm gonna take, I love this, I should do a favorites video. This is the Tarte Man Eater Silk Stick in Sundown. It blends out so beautifully. The mini 101, it's the 109. I have 2 of these. They snap down. Here, a little clip. Now, I picked up all 3 shades in the blush. This is Berry. A little bit too much, that's my fault. Oh well. Let's take a foundation brush. Some mascara, same one I've been using, the e.l.f., which I like. I have my Makeup by Mario lip in pinky brown. And that's it. That's my look. If you like videos like this, consider sticking around. Hit the notification bell so you can be seen by other people. Not me, not you, me. I know what I'm saying. And I'll see see you in my next video. If you made it this far, you're a star. Thanks.